if you're a beginner and you don't know what digital product to start with, I have found 10 beginner digital products that are being created right now and are actually selling. You want to know how to start selling digital products online? I've made a free guide here that you can go ahead and download it to help you kickstart off your digital product business. I'll leave the link in the description below. I looked at what beginners are selling, not influencers. These 10 digital products kept on showing up again and again. Product 1, they are printable planners. Yes, printable planners sell year-round. People want a structured life. A person buys a planner so that they can plan for their weekend, they can plan for their week ahead, they can plan for their travel. So there are different types of planners that you can create. You can create a travel planner. Yes, those can work very well in summer. You can create a planner for Christmas season, Easter season, different things like that. You can create a planner for students. So there are so many ways that you can go about creating planners, and you can also go ahead not only to create printable planners, but you can also create planners that can be used in people's gadgets like tablets. You can create planners like GoodNotes planners. Not everybody needs something on a paper. Some people want to do some things in their technology. So that's going also to help you to elevate your sales when it comes to that. Product number 2 is checklists and trackers. People always want to track their progress. They are simple, fast, and beginner friendly to create. People always want to track how much they are eating, want to track how many steps they have walked each day, how many times they have gone to the gym to train, how many hours of sleep did they get. So that helps, and that means that your digital product is going to sell year-round because it's an evergreen niche that people want to plan. As long as you pick a niche that is good, maybe a checklist for health eating, a checklist for busy moms, a checklist for kids at home, that can also work because people want to know what they have done and what they have not yet done, so that they can go ahead and check it off from their checklist, and that gives them a certain satisfaction. So that's a good digital product that you can start with. Product number 3, Canva templates. Businesses and creators need them every day. I mean constantly, because they help their business grow, and anybody is willing to pay for something that is going to help them to ease their work. For example, you can create Canva templates for people who want to build their email lists. You can create things like pins that people who want to create more content for their Pinterest accounts that they need. So you keep on creating different templates. As long as you pick a niche, maybe you are targeting people who are into the content creation. These people, they will need templates for their social medias like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, or YouTube Shorts. So those business templates, they are going to help you make a lot of money. Other people sell things like resumes. There are a lot of many of them. So the sky is the limit. You just choose a niche, and you know what audience that you are targeting. That will help you to scale up your digital product business. Product number 4, these are short ebooks. You can write a short ebooks maybe from 10 to 30 pages. You don't have to write a lot of pages, and this is going to help you as a beginner. You will not get overwhelmed, and you will provide value. Instead of writing a big ebook where you are not providing value and not solving a problem, it's better you write a short ebook where you are going to solve a problem. You can write an ebook. Maybe you have gone through a certain experience. Maybe a breastfeeding experience, you a mom. Maybe something about cooking, a short ebook about teens, about children, about business, or any niche that you have chosen. As long as it's providing value. What's important is providing value and solving a problem, because that's what people pay you for. They want a solution to their problem. Product number 5, and these are low content journals, mainly for Amazon KDP. A lot of people forget that you can still use Amazon KDP to make money using digital products. What this means, you can go in apps like Canva, create your low content journal and upload it on Amazon KDP. You can upload it as a digital product and Amazon KDP will do the rest for you. Remember, Amazon is a big marketplace. A lot of people go there to buy and shop things every day. And another thing, if you want this YOLO content journal to be shipped out to people in their homes, also Amazon can do that, or you can leave it as an ebook on Amazon, or where it can be shipped directly to people. That's also another way that you can also earn extra cash, because Amazon has an built-in traffic source from everyday buyers. Digital product number 6, Notion templates. Digital organization is still popular and good in 2026. A lot of people want to stay organized, so you can jump on that and create that as your digital product and start making money. Product number 7, content calendars. If you're a content creator, or if you are on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, you see people, they are posting daily and are staying consistent, and you're wondering, how are these people getting these ideas every day, and how are they getting this energy to stay consistent? Some people have what they call content calendar, which helps them to know what content they are going to create for each day and what time. So you can go ahead and create these content calendars for these people who are doing content creation. And as we see now, content creation is a business and it's growing up and up every day, and people need to stay consistent and organized. If you are not consistent and organized, you will not be able to show up and create content every day, and content that will keep people engaged and watching. But if a person has a content calendar and they are organized, that's simple and easy. So that's why that digital product is good. You can create content calendars and they are going to sell year round, because people are creating content each and every minute of the day. 8 is lead magnets and freebies. This might sound a little bit weird, but a freebie is something that a person gives you for free in exchange for your email address. Yes, so when they get this email address, they can be promoting different new products to you. So you can go ahead and create these lead magnets for people who want it, and this is going to be a good business, because everybody wants somebody's email list, because nobody wants to rely on social media platforms. Everybody wants to build their own home or their own lists. They want to nurture their own people. So this is where you come in. If you can create good lead magnets that can capture people's eyes and can turn into potential customers, then you are good to go. That's a good digital product that you can create and start making money right away. I also have a freebie that if you want, you can go ahead and use the link in the description that will show you how you can start your digital product business right away. I'll leave the link in the description below. Product number 9, digital workbooks. These are educational materials and this really work very well. For example, if a person created a course and he wants to give people a step-by-step guide, a workbook, this can also work well. Maybe you can create workbooks for people and they can buy them from you and you get money. Maybe a workbook for a person who is into fitness. Not a lot of people have time to go ahead to create a step-by-step guide, because a workbook is something that person can follow, read and implement what they are reading from that workbook, so that it can help their life, and people are willing to pay for educational content like that to better their life, because everybody wants to live a better and a good life. So if you create workbooks, they are going to help you scale up your digital product business. You can create workbooks for businesses, workbooks for social media content creation. And why these workbooks are good and they sell so well, because you are targeting business owners. If a person sells their digital product and they want to also give their customers a step-by-step guide to follow and implement, then your workbook comes in, because it's going to help these people implement everything. Number 10, which are main guides. Solve one problem clearly and people will be willing to pay you. Yes, for example, there are problems that people are struggling with. Maybe it's about skin, it's about acne, maybe mothers who have given birth but they are struggling to lose their belly fat, or people are struggling to lose weight or to stop eating disorders. If you can provide a mini guide that can help people solve this problem, people will be willing to pay you because it's going to help to better their life. It's going to help a person clear off that acne. So if you can give them a step-by-step guide that they can follow, that's going to work very well, because everybody wants to buy a solution. Yes, they don't want to buy a problem. They already have a problem, so they need something which is going to solve their problem. Advice: don't go ahead and choose all 10 of them. Choose one digital product like this, and I mean one digital product like this, and focus on making it better than average. If you create a digital product that is better and providing value, even if it's one like this, it's going to make you a lot of money than creating 10 of them which are mediocre and not good, that nobody will not buy. If you want help choosing one or knowing what's the best, watch my next video or subscribe.